Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of YesStyle. We click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about YesStyle and you will click. Here we click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. After that, we click on clear cache. Here we will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about YesStyle. If you find updating this blue sign, then you will update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.